Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create a program that will count the number of vowels and consonants in a given string using C programming language. Before we continue guys with our discussion, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel by subscribing. So let's get started. So we have here the comment. I'm using dev C++ as my IDE. So we have here a series of library here. Type dev, structure for record stat, int vowel underscore count, consonant underscore count, digit underscore count. And then I have here a function for boolean for checking if it is vowel. As we all know, if we say about vowel, it refers to characters consist of A, E, I, O, U. Boolean means true or false. And then another function called consonants. So we have here a series of characters which does not belong to our vowel. So in this portion of our code, we have here a function that will count the number of the occurrence of vowels, consonants, and digit. Okay, so and then for the digits, we are using a function in C is digit, which is a built-in function here in C type. And then we have here display the results for vowels, consonants, and digits. And then we have here the title of our program, main function. And then in this example, I have here a string J Pomperada, 42 years old and 173 centimeters tall. This will be the display the result, the string, and then this is the stat for the count the number of vowels, consonants, and digits. System pause. Okay, so let us run the code, compile and run. So for the given string, Jake Pomperada, 42 years old and 173 centimeter, the number of vowels is 11. Consonants will be 19, digit is 5. I will put a link in the description below guys so that you can download the complete program listing for free. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a vowels and count the number of vowels and consonants using C programming language. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, like, and please support my channel if you are new by subscribing. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.